Hello and welcome to a guitar tutorial for my track Parot from my Beefboi Bops album. So the first part of the song we're going to be doing is the one string at a time guitar, which goes like this. So the finger positions for this is you go onto the kind of skinny string but not very skinny that's at the third bit, this one, and you go 1. So you go 1, 1, and then you go to the third one with your finger, so it goes 1, 1, 3, and then from the 3 you go up to the 5, so it goes 1, 1, 3, 5, and then you go back to the 1. Okay, you're back at the 1 now, so it goes 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 1, and then you're ready for this. You go 5 to the 3, so it goes 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 1, 5, 3, and then you go to the bit thicker string that's at this one, and then it goes 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so you put that all together and you get 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The next part we will be looking at is the multiple strings at a time guitar. So the multiple strings at a time guitar is you do the it's called a chord or something. So what you do is you go 6, 8, 8, and it's on the second string from the top, so it goes, and then you move that to the 8, 10. So it goes to the 8, 10, 10. And then it goes to the 6, 8, 8, but the 6 is on the thickest string, and it goes and then you go back to the first one, so on the second thickest string, and you go, so it's and then the wiggly guitar bit in the song between the lyrics. You know how like there's the lyrics in one bit, and then there's a break, and then there's the lyrics after it, the bit in the middle where you hear the wiggly guitar.
I can't believe Ollie Mars is dead.
You just ruined it. I'm doing it.
But Ollie Mars is dead.
Is he?
Mhm.
That's tragic.
Yeah, that's really sad, isn't it?
Anyway, back to what I was saying. So it's the wiggly guitar bit in between the two. The wiggly guitar bit. Okay, so you go to the skinny string, but not very skinny string. And it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 from the top, and you go, and you push down on it, so that it moves downwards, and then it gives a little wiggle sound. And then so you it's on the ninth. It's on the ninth one from this bit. So you count nine of the bits, and that's where your finger goes, and it's and then you move up a string towards your head, and you go to the 5, to the 4, so it goes, and then you go 9, 10, and then 5, 9. So the first bit of the wiggly guitar sounds like, and then from that you don't put any of this hand fingers on this string. It's the second from your eyes, and you go, and then you do 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. So it goes like, and then we get to the fun bit. So what you want to do is you want to go, I don't think I'll need to say the number or the string for this bit, because it gets really easy, and you just go, and then after that bit, so you need to do, so you go on the 5th string from your nose. So you go, you don't put any on this bit of the guitar. Yeah, guitar. And then you do the 4th string, and then you touch this bit of the guitar on the 7th of the top string. So you put it all together, and you get, thanks for watching. Tune in next time for the goodbye.